Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the Duralast Gold ceramic brake pads from AutoZone. And these particular brake pads are DG1731, which are for the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 sedan. I'll be installing them on a 2017 Mitsubishi Mirage G4. They are made in Mexico, and these do come with a limited lifetime warranty from AutoZone. It does say they're official brakes of NASCAR. And let's open them, see what we got here. I got my receipt, and these particular ones cost $23.99 plus tax, and like I said, include a limited lifetime warranty. So if anything goes wrong with them, what you do is just go buy another set, install them, and take the old set back, and they will refund your money. Here we have the new set of clips for installing the brake pads, and another set of clips. Some of these clips may or may not be used in your installation. Here they have a set of instructions showing which ones will be used and not used. Good rule of thumb is whenever you're uninstalling the original brake pads, just kind of take note of what's there so you can replace the parts with new parts. The clips obviously are just thin metal, so those should be replaced. And looks like each pad is individually wrapped. And we have two of these. And then the back pads. And when installing, make sure you grease these tabs really well. And then it also includes this manual. Do the complete brake job for maximum performance and safety. Read before installing your new brake pads. I actually got the higher end ones one time, and it didn't include this neat little brochure. And it explains a little bit about what to look for when you're taking the old pads off: uneven wear, cracked and chipped lining, tapered wear, groove surface, and what causes the particular kind of wear, how to check your rotors, and suggesting that you always replace your rotors or brake pads obviously in pairs. Shows you how to clean your system with brake clean, and the replacement hardware that is exposed to extreme temperatures, which causing it to weaken, resulting in poor performance and reduced safety. Replace brake caliper boots, which are those little rubber pieces, and pad clips to ensure optimum performance, which are the clips that come in that little package. Replace damaged caliper pins and lubricate for proper operation. I sink these totally in lubricant whenever I'm replacing the pads. And then we have the same instructions in Espanol. And that is the Duralast Gold ceramic brake pad replacement.